Good morning. This is the channel of Genius C Productions, and this morning I am about to cook a breakfast meal to make biscuits. Okay, a delicious meal. All right. So I'm gonna use biscuits, this spray right here called pan baking. This is to spray the pan. I'm gonna use Blue Bonnet, margarine or butter. Okay. I'm gonna use a spoon. So, with this being said, let's get started. So let's open it up. Gotta open it through here. Heard that? Those are the biscuits. All right. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna use a spoon, get some butter, and then I'm gonna spread it right on the top of the biscuit. Okay? Make it taste better. Make it crispy. But first, before I lay it on the pan or right on the tray, I am going to spray the tray. Okay? Just like that. Then I'm gonna go ahead and lay down the biscuits right on the tray with the butter upwards. All right? Got it? You got it? This is Eddie Cantu from Genius C Productions, and thank you for watching. All right? So let's continue with the cooking, all right? For my breakfast meal of biscuits. Kind of spread them a little bit, not too close. This is what what is this? This is what the Blue Bonnet butter looks like, right? Spread it, oops. It's all right, just put it back on, get more butter and put it back on the tray. It's all right, everything's clean. Make sure that you clean your counters, everything. From germs. You don't want bacteria. Okay? We got one more. See, we're almost done. There's the last one right over there. Okay, right there. Over here, empty. Be careful not to cut yourself, even though it's paper, but it's still sharp, it can cut you. So be careful not to cut yourself. Okay? Just like that. So, you want to see what the biscuits look like right on the tray? Just like that. Right? I know they're falling down because I slide it. So I'm going to go ahead and fix them back. So I'm going to go ahead and fix them back up again. That's what they should look like. Now, I'm going to go ahead and show you the stove. I have it on already with some preheat. So all I had to do was press bake, then start, and then it was preheating. Now that it's off preheating, now it's on bake, which means now I'm ready to put in the tray of the biscuits. Okay, so I'm going to show you the stove completely. I'm going to turn on also a pot that I have for tea. I'm making a cinnamon tea. Now I'm going to show you what the oven looks like. That's what the oven looks like. In the inside, I can feel the heat. Now what I'm going to do is I am going to go ahead and place the tray right in there. Okay? You gotta take it out and just put it in. Just like that. And make sure you keep watching the biscuits. Don't go nowhere. See, everything's... Now I close it. That's what they look like. Okay? Right now it's 9:51 in the morning, baking at 350 degrees. And just watch the biscuits not to get burned, okay? That's what the stove looks like. What kind of stove is this? This is an LG. See the brand LG. It's a really good stove. So for now I'm gonna wait, and also for the tea. Now what I'm gonna do is I am gonna cook eggs to put on my breakfast biscuits. Okay? That's what they look like. And that's the tea right there. See, boiling. The eggs and the cinnamon tea. Now I'm gonna go ahead and mix them up. Okay. I'm gonna flip them. Just like that. And that's what they look like, flipped. And that's what they look like now, flipped. Boy, you gotta be careful. Okay, they're ready. I'm gonna put them aside. And that's what the tea looks like. The cinnamon tea. Okay. Now I'm gonna see what the biscuits look like. Ready? These are the biscuits. They're getting fluffy. Smell real good. They have to get kind of like goldish. That's what they look like. So soon, right in my tummy. The eggs and the cinnamon tea. On the cinnamon tea, I'm going to turn it off now. On the cinnamon tea, what I have to do is just pour the tea right in a cup, depending on how much you want to drink. Then add that little sugar. This is a package of Splenda sugar. You put one of these little bags. You pour it right in the cup with the tea. And then you can put like little milk, or I'm gonna show you some, okay? And then you can add also French vanilla for the flavor of the tea. Not a lot, but you know, some. And then you stir it. You stir the tea and then you drink. It will taste really good. I'm ready to eat, but right now they are not ready yet. So, a couple of more minutes. They'll be golden, and flaky and ready to eat. And having a hot breakfast meal. Just bear with me, all right? I'll show you the end. Look, I'll show you the end in a minute, you know, when I take out the biscuits, put the ingredients, and ready to eat, all right? So bear with me. This is Eddie Cantu from Genius C Productions. Thank you for supporting the channel. And I hope you're liking all the content. So just bear with me. Okay guys, I'm gonna show you how to prepare the cinnamon tea. Okay, this is the cup. That's the cup that I'm gonna drink the tea from. This is real hot. And, okay, just hold on. The cup and the tea. I really like this barrel cup. It's called Pirates and Dinner and Show. All right. It says the same thing on both of the sides. So now I'm gonna go ahead and grab the pot. It's really hot, and I'm gonna go ahead and pour the tea just like that. The next thing is the Splenda. So I'm gonna open the little package. This is sugar right here. It's called Splenda. They sell them at Walmart or any store in packages, you know, like in little boxes, and there's a lot of them. So now I'm gonna go ahead and pour the sugar right in the cup. If you don't want all the sugar, you can just add half of the package. Now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna add the vanilla flavor. This is basically milk. You can add regular milk if you want to too. It's up to you. Or you can get this flavor, French vanilla for coffee, all right? It's up to you. Regular milk or this milk. Or you can drink it like, you know, plain like that. It's up to you. So now I'm gonna put some of it. See, I'll pour some of it in there. That's what the tea looks like. Now what you're gonna do is stir it. You see? Now what I'm gonna do with the tea, I'm gonna drink it. Be careful because it's really hot. Woo! Tastes really good. See? It tastes really good. I'm murdered myself. But it tastes real good for a breakfast meal. You can try this in the morning. You can try it at night. And take, you know, this tea at night too, because it will help you sleep well. Relax your body. It's a herbal tea. And it's a cinnamon. So I'm going to show you that too in a minute, about the cinnamon. This tea is so good. I gotta say something for my breakfast. Oh my God. I can still make more. But I'm gonna show you what the cinnamon looks like.